Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2017 SKODA Octavia. And I don't think it's ever been used before, because when I went on it, it was still on kind of setup. So what we need to do is click on nav. When you click on nav, if you're not familiar to it, you'll see in a second, there's nowhere on there. The menu at the bottom, that goes off, and it only comes back on when you put your hand towards it. I don't know why, but anyway, so put your hand towards it and you want new destination. Now before it was only allowing me to do search. You see there, search or address. Search, if that's on search, you don't want it on search, trust me. It can't find anything. So you have to press the three lines here. So press on there and then click address. That's what you want. Even this, very, very long-winded way of doing it. So it's got country and city. Well, United Kingdom, city, oh, you know, yawn. So otherwise you're going to have to put city, then the street, then the number to find it. You don't want to be doing that. So we'll click city. Now enter city, United Kingdom. But down at the bottom here, you've got PTCD, stands for postcode. There's all this room, all that room, and they have to abbreviate postcode. So postcode, enter postcode, so ABC, gee whiz, P, R, now we want numbers, so we've got to go to 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, back to letters, E, A, so that's Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, PR5, 4EA. Right, you've just typed it all in. You've got to click on it again. You've clicked on it. Now you've got to tell it just how many times you need telling. Now you've got a choice of 3 routes. You want the fastest, no doubt, so the top one.
Make a U-turn if possible.
That's it. If anybody from Volkswagen's watching, go to Range Rover and get Range Rover to show you how to make a sat-nav, a simple sat-nav, because this is stupid. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.